going from the basic things. Okay, we have gone through the basic explanation. Now we are moving with some interesting questions from the basic to the little bit difficult part. Okay, so but on the whole nothing is difficult when we know each and every steps, basic thing. The side of a square is increasing at a rate of 0.5 centimeter per second. Find the rate of the increase of the area of the square. Okay. Now, the question is in the statement form, so we have to be very much careful for writing the statements. Okay. Now, let x and a be the side and area of a square respectively. Respectively with time t. Okay, this is the statement which goes according to the question. Now, side of a square is increasing. It is given the side of a square is increasing with respect to time, and this can be written as now dx by dt is equal to plus 0.5. Now area of a square is a is equal to x square. It is what? Side square. Okay, x means what? Side square. We can write side square. Okay. Now, area of a square with respect to time. What we can write for the area of a square with respect to time? We can write it dA by dt. Okay, now let's solve the question. Now we are having, when it is the question is for the increasing part, it means it is also increasing. Okay, so now we are having a is equal to x square. Now differentiating with respect to time. A is one variable, x is another variable, and third variable is time, and we are differentiating both the variables a and x with respect to time. So what we can write it? Using the chain rule, we can write it now dA by dt is equal to 2x with dx by dt. Now what I have done, we are going to do directly like this one, all the questions, okay? But what we have done, just look at what I have done. A is equal to x square. Now differentiating with respect to x, it becomes with respect to, okay, dA by dx is equal to 2x. Now what we want? We want dA by dt. So we are having dA by dt times dx by dt. Okay, dA by dt with dx by dt. Now dA by dt is what? 2x with dx by dt. So this I have done directly here, and in other questions you are going to do all these things yourself. Okay, and this is what? This is chain rule. For every question we can move with the chain rule. Is it clear? So now we are having dA by dt is equal to 2x with dx by dt is 0.5. So what we are getting? 0.5 means 1 upon 2 we are having x as an answer. So the question was, find the rate of the increase of the area of a square. Now 1 by 2 with 2 cancels, we are left with x only. Now we can write it. The area of a square is increasing at the rate of x. Remember what unit is given, x centimeter per second, and this is the answer. Okay, like this we have to go. This is a basic question, very simple question.